Good morning, second PC students. Yesterday, what did we complete? Properties and proofs, properties explanation. So, today, once again, I will recall all properties. Okay. Property number 1. What is the property? Integral a to b f of x dx is equal to integral a to b f of t dt. What is the meaning of that property? Either integral a to b, both are same, that variable different, so that type of functions also same. Limits function all same, but variable different. Difference is variable. Function same, variable different. So both are same. Next, second one. Integral a to b f of x dx is equal to minus integral b to a f of x dx. Interchange the limits. That value is sign will be changed. So the value anedi same, sign change agutadi. Okay, the sign plus here minus, this value plus 2, this value minus 2. So value same but sign is different. And integral a to a f of x dx is equal to 0. Upper limit to lower limit to same, means that value is, that integration value is 0. Integral a to b f of x dx is equal to integral a to c f of x dx plus integral c to b f of x dx. So one integration equal to sum of two integrations or three also. So c is must be in between a and b. Integral a to b f of x dx is equal to integral a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. A to b f of x dx, a to b f of a plus b minus x kuda equal, both are same. New f of x integration, f of a plus b minus integration, both are same. What is a? The given integration lower limit to plus upper limit to minus x. F of x is equal to f of a plus b minus x. Both are same. Next few. Integral 0 to a f of x dx is also integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. This is also same property. 4 or 5 same, but limits are different. Here a to b means a plus b minus x. 0 to a means 0 plus a minus x means a minus x. F of x, f of a minus x, both are same. Integral 0 to 2a f of x dx is equal to integral 0 to a f of x dx plus integral 0 to a f of 2a minus x dx. This seventh one, very very important one. Integral 0 to a f of x dx is equal to 2 into 0 to a f of x dx. 0 to 2a anedi 2 into 0 to a when f of 2a minus x is equal to f of x. F of 2a minus x means what? lower limit plus upper limit minus x. So 0 plus 2a minus x is equal to a minus x. So this limit when 0, if f of 2a minus x is equal to minus f of x. So integral minus a to a f of x dx is equal to 2 into 0 to a 2 into 0 to a f of x dx when f is even, f of x is even function. What is the meaning of even function? F of minus x is equal to f of x. So when 0, odd function. Odd function is f of minus x is equal to minus f of x. So f of minus x is equal to minus f of x. So even function means f of minus x is equal to f of x means even function. F of minus x is equal to minus f of x means odd function. Odd function, that integration value 0. Properties. The properties, important properties. It comes 100% in our examination, 6 marks question. Here very important one is the 4, 5, 7, 8. These 4 are very important. The property plus sambandhita related to the problem. Okay, property is sambandhita problem, related to the same related problem. Okay, so problem 2 marks, property 4 marks, 4 plus 2 6 marks. So this is the, let us go to the last exercise 7.11 in the integration. Exercise 7.11, first problem, integral 0 to pi by 2 cos square x dx. Integral 0 to pi by 2 cos square x dx. This is the definite integration. Indefinite integration, same problem, integral cos square x is equal to indefinite integration. Integral cos square x dx is equal in exercise 7.23 maybe. The integration of some trigonometric identities. Integral cos square x is equal to what? Integral 1 plus cos 2x by 2 dx 1 by 2. Integral 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 into x, cos 2x is equal to sin 2x by 2. This is the procedure of indefinite integration. So in definite integration, by using the properties, okay, so same answer, the procedure different but answer same. This is the easiest procedure. Solution, first take I is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 cos square x dx. Equation number 1. This is which property? Integral 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus. This is the property. Integral 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Okay, now the property, according to the property, by using this property. So integral 0 to f of x andre idu equal to f of a minus x. Here a is equal to what? Upper limit minus x. So f of x is equal to f of a minus x. So a minus x is equal to f of pi by 2 minus x. Equation 1 becomes equation 1 becomes integral, this is also I, equal to 0 to pi by 2 f of pi by 2 minus 6. What is the f of x? This is f of x. F of x. F of pi by 2 minus x means x badalu pi by 2 minus x. So cos square of pi by 2 minus x dx. So integral 0 to pi by 2 cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. So cos square 90 minus theta is equal to sin square 90 sin square theta. Theta is equal to what? Xo dxo. This is equation number 2. 1 no 2. 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 implies I plus I is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2. What is 1 no? Cos square x plus integral 0 to pi by 2. What is 2? Sin square x dx. So I plus I is equal to 2i. Same integration. So 0 to pi by 2. Cos square x plus sin square x. Cos square x plus sin square x dx. So I is equal to 1 by 2 into integral 0 to pi by 2. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. So 1 by 2 into integral 1 dx is equal to x over the integral 0 to pi by 2. So 1 by 2 into first upper limit to next lower limit. That is equal to answer pi by 2. I is equal to pi by 2. What is I? Equation number 2I, equation 1I. So both are same. So what is the answer? Integral 0 to pi by 2 cos square x dx is equal to pi by 4. In the same way, integral 0 to pi by 2 sin square x dx is also same procedure, same answer. This first problem, integral 0 to pi by 2 cos square x dx. This integral 0 to pi by 2 sin square dx also procedure same and answer is also same. So we can do it. This is the properties, by using the properties, simple. Second problem, very important. Integral 0 to pi by 2 root to sin x by root to sin x plus root to cos x dx. Root to sin x by root to sin x plus root to cos x. So solution, I is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 root to sin x by root to sin x plus root to cos x dx. Equation number 1. So what is the property? 0 to a f of x dx. So is equal to 0 to a f of a minus same f of x is equal to f of pi by 2 minus x. So I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 root of sin 90 minus x by root of sin 90 minus x plus root of cos 90 minus x dx. So integral 0 to pi by 2 sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta root cos x by sin 90 minus x is equal to cos x, cos 90 minus x is equal to sin x. This is equation number 2. 1 plus 2 implies I plus I is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2. What is 1? This is 1. Root sin x by root sin x plus root cos x dx plus what is 2? Integral 0 to pi by 2 root cos x by root cos x plus root sin x dx. Integrals same, else denominator same. So I plus I is equal to 2i. 2i is equal to same integration, single integration. So LCM same, root sin x plus root cos x. Same, root sin x plus root cos x dx. Cancel. I is equal to 1 by 2 into integral g by 2 upon dx. So I is equal to 1 by 2 into integral 1 is equal to x. Integral dx or integral 1 is equal to x. So that is equal to 1 by 2 minus pi by 2 is equal to pi by 4. Final ga, and so what is I? Integral 0 to pi by 2 root sin x by root sin x plus root cos x dx is equal to what? Pi by 4. First problem, second problem. In the exercise third, fourth, these all are same procedure. First apply the 90 minus theta and adding and cancellation. This is the procedure. Okay. I given problem. Property prakara integral 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So a minus x is equal to pi by 2 minus x, 0 to a minus x. So apply the a minus x in the given function. So the given function after reducing we get root cos x by this is sin 90 minus cos. This is equation number 1. After reducing equation number 2, this is adding both i's. Okay. Okay. In exercise 3-4, problem number 3, problem number 4, homework, same method. First given problem taken I and x is equal, substitute x is equal to pi by 2 minus x. After reducing we get the another function. So the first one and second both are adding and simplifying. This is the next one. Next x into 1 minus x whole power n. Problem number 7. Integral 0 to 1 x into 1 minus x whole power n dx. X into 1 minus x whole power n dx. So, what is solution? Solution I is equal to 0 to 1 x into 1 minus x whole power n dx. So, f of x is equal to f of a minus x. So, f of 1 minus x. So, integral 0 to 1. F of x is equal to f of 1 minus x. So x, substitute x instead of 1 minus x. So, x bodulu 1 minus x into 1 minus of 1 minus x whole power n dx. So, integral 0 to 1 1 minus x into 1 minus 1 plus 1 1 cancel minus of minus plus n dx. So, multiply x power n, multiply x power n with 1 minus x. 1 into x power n, x power n, x into x power n plus 1 dx. So integral x power n is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 minus integral x power n plus 1. Integral x power n plus 1 is equal to x power n plus 2 by n plus 2 over the integral 0 to 1. So, 1 power n plus 1 by n plus 1, 1 power n plus 2 by n plus 2 upper limit to minus lower limit, 0 power anything 0. So, 1 by 1 power anything is equal to 1. So, 1 by n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 2. So, n plus 1 into n plus 2 LCM. So, n plus 2 minus of n plus 1. n cancel 2 minus 1 1. So, 1 by n plus 1 into n plus 2. Answer is 1 by adding modula. Okay, don't adding the both i's because no use. Here in the before problem, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. That's why adding two functions. So here no use of adding the function. So direct calculation. Okay, next. Next same ninth function integral 0 to 2 x into root of 2 minus x dx. So this is the homework. Okay. Root x by root x plus root of a minus 6. This is very important one. Integral 0 to a root x by root x plus root of a minus x dx. So root x by root x plus root of a minus x dx. So solution I is equal to root x by root x plus root of a minus x dx. So next f of x is equal to which is formula 0 to a equal to 0 to a f of a minus x. So f of a minus x. After it becomes equation 1 becomes to integral 0 to a x बदलेनो x f of x is equal to f of a and x means x is equal to what? A minus x. So x instead of a minus x by root of a minus x plus root of a minus of a minus x dx. So integral 0 to a root of a minus x by root of a minus x plus a cancel root x dx. So without adding the 1 2, this is after reducing the function. So direct calculation are not there. Direct calculation. So this is direct calculation means so anything apply the u by formula u into v, this is nothing. So adding, because observe them, the equation 1 is root x by root x plus root of a minus x. Here after reducing the given function, the denominator also root of a minus x plus root x, both are same, denominators are same. So compulsory adding these two functions because cancel. So this is also numerator root x, is also root of a minus x in terms of this one. Adding the 1 and 2 means both are cancel. So that's why adding two functions. I plus I is equal to 1 plus 2 implies integral 0 to a root x by root of x plus root of a minus x dx plus integral 0 to a root of a minus x by root of a minus x plus root x dx. So integrals are same. So I plus I is equal to 2i. Same integration means you have to take single integration and LCM. The both functions have the same denominator. So same LCM. Root x plus root of a minus x. So root x plus root of a minus x dx. Both are cancelled. I is equal to 1 by 2 into integral 0 to a 1 dx. Integral 0 to a 1 because cancel. Integral 1 is equal to x 0 to a. So 1 by 2 into upper limit to minus lower limit, that is equal to value a by 2. Answer is a by 2. Okay, this is very important one. So tomorrow next property, this is only today, this is only single property, depending on only single property. 0 to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Tomorrow minus a to a, 0 to 2a. Okay, tomorrow this is very important problem. So modulus, integration of modules functions. Okay, don't miss. Okay, thank you.